We've started work on relining our sewer pipelines, a program part of our statewide sewer upgrades. This is what it means for you. Sewer relining is an efficient way to renew old pipes. Instead of digging up and replacing them, we install a durable lining inside, reinforcing the pipes from within. It's more cost effective, it avoids weeks of digging and road closures, and reduces noise, mess and inconvenience to the community. During our work, you may notice work crews and vehicles in your area, some noise from machinery, a harmless temporary odour, and some traffic changes for both our workers and your safety. We still need your help to keep our sewer system flowing safely and efficiently for everyone, so be aware of what you dispose of. What goes down the drain matters. Fats, oils and chemicals can clog pipes, damaging our sewer system and harming Tasmania's environment. To reduce odours during the work, pour a small amount of water down sinks and drains to maintain the water seal in your pipes. We appreciate your understanding as we upgrade our vital sewerage infrastructure, and thank you for helping to protect our water.